at the Lumen Center, we offer several different types of body contouring procedures. Most of these are energy-assisted liposuction. Traditional liposuction was done with very large instruments in a very aggressive manner. The instruments that we use these days are very small devices that go through little nicks in the skin. There are no big cuts or sutures involved. We can use lasers and also things like plasma to help both heat and to melt the fat, which makes it easier to extract. But ultimately, the more important thing is the ability to cause the skin to really tighten down or to shrink, so there's no need to really cut it away during a surgical procedure. These things can be done in a very safe fashion where their recovery is very easy. With liposuction, obviously we are taking a lot of fat out of the body, and it is a beautiful material to basically rebuild certain areas. These newer devices allow us to create shadow and contour and curves, and these things naturally occur in nature, but you can enhance them with these newer techniques. Ultimately, when people age, things end up getting smaller and they sag. You could address that with putting an implant in, whether that's for facial implants or breast implants or buttocks implants. Ultimately, if you are recontouring the body by taking the fat out, it is a great time to reharness that fat to build out these areas so that they have a much more youthful appearance and curvature to them. And it is your own material. You will never reject it. It will become part of you. Lipo 360 is a term that we use to describe when we do lipo all the way around the body. So taking all the belly fat down, all the side fat, all the fat in the lower back and the love handle area. As people age, they become very blockish up and down, where there is no definition from where the love handles stop and the buttock starts. And when you take all of this away and really reshape things, you can create this beautiful kind of graceful silhouette. The thing that really separates the Lumen Center compared to pretty much anywhere else is that we as a team concentrate on a single individual for the entire day during the day of the procedure. From the moment that we meet you during the consultation to a year afterwards, we are following with you every step of the way, 2 days out, 1 week out, a month out, 3 months out, 6 months out, 1 year out. I want each and every patient to ultimately be their best potential and to feel very happy in terms of the services that we've provided.
One of my favorite parts about the experience with the client is seeing them back at their 1 month follow-up. They're confident. We make them feel and look their very best.
I had such an amazing experience here. Customer service is excellent. Dr. Kwak is realistic. He's approachable. I love my results. I get a lot of compliments.
Dr. K is amazing. I cannot emphasize enough how he makes you feel that he understands what you want. He has a very good eye. He has a very good hand. There's no pain, and you can just tell by talking to him that he cares about his patients very much.
The most part that I like about my procedure is that I look natural. So I don't look like I had a whole bunch of plastic surgery.
You have to be able to do a great level of work, but to impact people's lives in a humanistic fashion where you are treating them as you want your family members treated. I mean, that is ultimately the thing of greatest importance.